Hey guys, it's me, Tiffany, with the TCNG fam, and I am back with another mukbang. Today I am mukbanging Popeyes chicken sandwich here. The classic sandwich is what I got, and I've never had Popeyes, so I'm just going to check it out and see, do I think if it's better than Chick-fil-A or not. I've had Chick-fil-A before. It's actually one of my favorite chicken restaurants. So this is going to have to be pretty bomb in order for me to say whether or not I like this better or not. So with further ado, I'm going to go ahead and check this out. I've got my core water here, and I'm going to check it out. I actually did order a spicy chicken to check it out, but unfortunately I didn't get my sandwich. So I had to call them up, and so they owe me one because I didn't feel like going all the way back. So yeah, I'll have to do a spicy chicken one another time. And I'm going to check this out. I might put a little hot sauce on this just to try it out. Got some Louisiana from Popeyes. I'm going to try it without first, though. And then I'm going to try it with. They look like they're bigger than Chick-fil-A's for sure. But we'll see. I don't know. They're definitely bigger. I wouldn't say they're better. Nah. They're good, don't get me wrong, but most definitely not better than Chick-fil-A. I think Chick-fil-A is definitely better than this. I'm going to try it with a little bit of hot sauce. Maybe that'll make a difference, because no. Nah. Chick-fil-A is definitely better. These chickens are bigger, but Chick-fil-A's definitely got them beat. So that's what I think about it, and that's the review I'm going to give it. I think the chicken is bigger, but not better. All right, y'all. Catch you later. Thanks for joining me with this review.